Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I'll talk about Lenovo Yoga Air 32 all-in-one computer. So friend, Lenovo introduced the Yoga Air 32 ultra thin all-in-one computer featuring the i9 3900H curved display version priced at 1,809 USD dollar, and Lenovo launched an updated model with a 32 GB integrated display available in a initial price of 1,745 USD dollar. And friend, the all-in-one computer boasts an Intel Core i9 3900H processor offering graphics card capabilities up to RTX 4050, and it offers onboard memory and the option for 32 GB LPDDR5, 6000 RAM along with a 1TB SSD for storage. And the display is substantial 31.5-inch 4K IPS panel featuring HDR600 and covering 97% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, and a variety of interfaces including HDMI 2.1, USB Type-C, USB 4, USB Type-A, and among others. And Lenovo has equipped this all-in-one machine with a Windows Hello infrared camera for secure login, 4-speaker enhanced by Dolby Atmos for impressive audio quality, and support for Harman Kardon audio technology. And this specification make the Lenovo Yoga Air 32 a compelling choice for those seeking an advanced all-in-one computer with high-end performance and feature-rich display. So friend, if you liked my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.